How to log into Goldman Sachs Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Goldman Sachs Career. Login in Goldman Sachs Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Goldman Sachs Career, type Goldman Sachs Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Goldman Sachs Career, click on Client Login located at top right corner of the page. Select Site. After selecting your site, it will take you to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with Goldman Sachs Career in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forget your password or username. And if you are a new member, you can click on Get Started. Click on Sign In. After entering your credential, click on Sign In button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. After entering your credential, you should be logged into Goldman Sachs Career profile. Here you can view job posting, apply for position, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.